So we're here today because there was a crazy storm last night and the city could have done a better job, and we're going to make sure we do in the future on snow removal and preparing for storms. The forecast changed a little bit and the city got choked and clogged with traffic that lasted hours and hours and hours and happened all over the city. So we're here today just to ensure that we have a top to bottom review and a transparent process, an operational review to make sure that moving forward into the winter months that this doesn't happen again. So for New Yorkers that are out there, I'm sorry if you had to experience something bad last night, but we at the City Council are going to push to make sure that we get good answers moving forward.